Alright, the Zippo truck was in the neighborhood and he did not really stop today. He just honked his horn and threw this package at my door, and you'll see why. Because this one is labeled Biohazard. And he also gave me something else as a present. It's a T-Virus Antidote. 1 can of the T-Virus Antidote. So you can see that this Zippo is the Biohazard green. And there's a good look at it. Of course, it's made in the USA, in Bradford, PA. And this one was made in, oh, it looks like L of 14. Fires up nice. It's got a steel insert. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 barrels on the hinge. So that is the green Biohazard Zippo. And I'll be putting it over there in the restricted section. The restricted section of my collection. Along with all the other Biohazard Zippos. So yeah, this deserves a little cowbell, but just stay back a safe distance. Knuckle bump.